Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're reviewing the Atomic Wallet app in 2025. If you're into crypto and looking for a non-custodial wallet to manage your digital assets securely, this one's for you. So, what exactly is Atomic Wallet? It's a decentralized, non-custodial crypto wallet that gives you full control of your private keys and supports over 500 coins and tokens, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, XRP, and many ERC-20 tokens. It's available on both desktop and mobile, and the main pitch is that your crypto never leaves your control. The interface is sleek and easy to navigate. Right after installing and setting up your password or recovery phrase, you're good to go. You can manage your portfolio, stake certain tokens, exchange crypto instantly, and even buy crypto with a bank card through third-party partners. One of the standout features is the built-in atomic swap capability. That's actually what the wallet is named after. This lets you swap certain crypto pairs directly without relying on centralized exchanges. Though, keep in mind that atomic swaps are still limited to a few coins like BTC, LTC, and QTUM. Another useful feature is staking. You can earn passive income on supported coins like Atom, ADA, and ZIL directly from the wallet. The wallet displays estimated APRs, and staking is very straightforward. Now, let's talk about security. Atomic Wallet is non-custodial, meaning your private keys and backup phrase are stored locally on your device. This is great for people who want full control over their funds, but it also means you are solely responsible for securing your wallet. There's no customer support that can help you recover funds if you lose your backup phrase. It's worth noting that in mid-2023, Atomic Wallet faced a serious breach where some users lost funds due to potential vulnerabilities. While the company claimed only a small number of users were affected, this incident raised concerns about safety and transparency. In response, they've pushed updates to improve security and have been more vocal about encouraging users to back up their wallets and update the app regularly. So, is the Atomic Wallet still worth using in 2025? If you're an experienced crypto user who values self-custody and understands the responsibility that comes with it, then yes, it offers a lot of flexibility and features in one place. But if you're a beginner or not comfortable with managing your own keys, you might want to consider wallets with a stronger security track record or additional customer protection. That wraps up our review. Let me know in the comments if you've used Atomic Wallet and what your experience has been. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more crypto app reviews and security tips. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.